Hello everyone, thanks for coming. I am Takeshi Matsuzaki in e-learning Corporation. This presentation is about activity module to use HTML video on Amazon CDN. Who am I? I'm Takeshi Matsuzaki, Japanese. This is my email address and Facebook address. I welcome you to be a Facebook friend. I established e-learning Corporation in 2000. Its name is just e-learning Corporation and have been the CEO since then. And in fact, I am an engineer for programming and networking. We offer contents for IT engineers on Android, LPIC, and CCNA. LPIC is an achievement test for Linux, and CCNA is Cisco Systems Engineering Certification. On the other hand, we supply e-learning solutions for corporations and schools. We have experience about another LMS for many years. I have known Moodle for a long time, but I thought Moodle was only for teachers. Just last year, I had a presentation about Moodle for a corporation by Hatanaka-san in Adobe Systems. He impressed me so much that we began to study Moodle again. Our own contents and our customers' contents consist of many videos. With Moodle, videos are usually handled as files, module file, but it needs many disk spaces and high bandwidth of network. Bandwidth is more important. It may cause the access problem. So we have tried to use global CDN, Amazon CloudFront, and made a Moodle activity module to easily and safely access the videos. Today, I will explain how the system works and introduce some open source softwares and free softwares that we use for the purpose. Before we use Moodle as our new LMS, we decided that we could solve these 4 problems as first step. Number 1. We need cheap CDN. As I told you, many videos in Moodle server cause the performance problems when many users are on. They use bandwidth of network, CPU power, and other resources. Because a video is much bigger than the static text. There are some video services for Moodle, but we are not sure its cost, performance, and scalability, and the video performance depends on cache server. But as far as I know, no such services are available in Japan. Number 2. We have to prohibit direct link. Direct link means direct URL for videos. Our customers sell their contents so that anyone without purchase never gets the video. We have to prohibit unknown user from accessing the videos directly through the URL. 3. We have to support multiple devices. Our students want to study with multiple devices: Windows, Mac, iPhone, iPad, Android, and Linux. So there are many browsers: IE7, 8.9, Google Chrome, Safari, and Firefox. We have to support these devices. Number 4. We need to make the system easy to use for course creators. Our staff who make video contents are not IT engineers, and we have to save time to create courses. So we have to make the system easy for anyone to use. Our solutions. 1. Cheap CDN solution. We selected Amazon CloudFront CDN. CDN means Content Delivery Network. It is called Amazon CloudFront. Amazon CloudFront is one of the Amazon Web Services. We have used another Amazon Web Service, EC2, for Moodle itself. Amazon CloudFront has the cache servers called Edge Server in Japan too. The local location gives good effect for watching videos. Amazon has good scalability and stability because Amazon has handling selling books all over the world. And most attractive of Amazon Web Service is the price. Its transfer price of data is $0.2 per gigabyte. 2. To prohibit the link. We use time-limited URL supplied by Amazon CloudFront. The temporary URL is calculated and it will expire after some period of time. To make the URL, we need a little programming code that is included in our module. 3. To support multiple devices solution. We decided to use HTML5 video. We offered MP4 for Safari, Android, and IE9, and also offered WebM for Firefox. Both of MP4 and WebM are HTML5 videos, and Flash fallback for IE7 and 8. They does not support HTML5 videos. 4. Easy to use solution. We are developing a Moodle activity module. It is now the beta version, Toshimi. Toshimi stands for the person who introduced me the excellent Moodle and put me to join this iMood. I named this product Toshimi to show my gratitude. Okay, I show you the actors of this system. Moodle, the most excellent elements in the world. Amazon CloudFront is Content Delivery Network, one of the elements of Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Service. Administrator or course creator of Moodle. Students for this lesson. Toshimi is the activity module we have made. How it works. First of all, you convert your videos to HTML5 video format. We selected Xmedia Recode. It's free software, not open source. Most of our videos were WMV, Windows Media Video. Using Xmedia Recode, you can convert many files once. Drag and drop videos here and just click and convert them at a time. Xmedia Recode supports many video formats. We use 8.264 ASC for IE9, Chrome, Safari on iPad, iPhone, and Android browser. Its extension is MP4 and WebM for Firefox. When the browser does not support HTML5 videos, the Flash player is used. This figure is HTML5 player. And this HTML file uses 8.264 ASC file, not Flash video, FLV. You don't need to make Flash video. We offer WebM for Firefox, but if you accept to use a Flash player with Firefox, this Flash player, you don't have to create WebM files. Next, you upload the videos to Amazon storage service called S3. Upload. The video is copied to Amazon CloudFront by Amazon system. It is copied to Amazon CloudFront. We use another third-party software, CloudBlade Explorer, to upload. This is CloudBlade Explorer. Has similar appearance of Windows Explorer. You can drag and drop multiple files to upload them to S3. Here, drag and drop and upload. To prohibit dark link, you have to make policy and make folders or files private. Using CloudBlade Explorer, you can do it by Graphical User Interface (GUI) instead of using Web API. This dialog is Policy Editor. With this operation, direct link is prohibited. So, you need a parameter such as expire, signature, key pair ID to access the videos. Our activity module Toshimi creates them automatically. We offer Toshimi as an activity module. You can install it as usual activity module. Copy Toshimi's directory to Moodle/mod directory. Log in as an administrator. You can see Toshimi's installation. Toshimi's configuration needs important to field and some others. There are important to field and others. Others are similar to the regular URL. URL module, frame height, size, etc. The important to fields are key pair ID, and location of private key. Both are Amazon's account information. Toshimi accesses CloudFront by using these values. You can get both of them from Amazon. I recommend AWS Management Console, which is the GUI tools for Amazon Web Service by Amazon itself. And note that you should not put the private key, the location under the web root or Moodle's root directory for the security reason. This one. This is private key. In many cases, web root is /var www.html, Moodle root is /var www.html/Moodle. You have to avoid under these locations. And note that the file's permission too. This file's permission is important. You should set the permission as only web server can read. And here, Toshimi contains two excellent open source softwares, Video.js and Flow Player. Toshimi uses Video.js as HTML5 video player and Flow Player as a Flash fallback. Video.js is used by default. When the browser does not support HTML5 video, Flow Player is used. But recently version of Video.js offers the Flash Player too, so you don't need Flow Player now. Finally, you add Toshimi's instance to your course. Toshimi's instance. This is ordinary way to add Toshimi's instance. Toshimi's instance contains two fields of URL here. Toshimi uses them as one for MP4, the other for WebM. You don't have to specify CloudFront parameters such as signature, expire, etc. Toshimi dynamically creates them. Toshimi's other fields, Toshimi has many fields. The other fields are similar to standard URL module. URL module has one field for destination, and Toshimi has two fields for video's URL through player. Very similar to standard module URL. Your students can get video via Moodle. They may be noticed that the video comes from CDN. The video works many platforms: PC, it's Chrome, Mac, Linux, this is iPad, and Android. And there are many browsers. And direct link is prohibited. The dynamically generated URL is expired in 1 hour. It is default. After 1 hour, no one can access via the older URL if he or she knows the long URL with parameters. Public version. Toshimi is better version now. Till public version, we want to add some functions, such as saving the number of video views for each student, and we have many videos in our courses, so adding video one by one through Toshimi is time-consuming job. We are considering a multiple copy function to Toshimi. It will copy one Toshimi's instance to many, and it will have automatic numbering of URL. For example, you put a special character N and braces, it means increment. It calls Linux 1, Linux 2, Linux 3. It will reduce the time to register video through Toshimi. Although we don't have much experience for Moodle, from the viewpoint of an e-learning solution supplying company, let me introduce what we feel about using Moodle. Because Moodle is open source software, we can get lots of good information to help us develop. We can get useful information from source code, and also we can get additional information and help from Moodle org and some private files. Moodle is much easier to develop or upgrade compared to our previous LMS. It was made of a large amount of Java cores. And although much information was given, we had to look many places for information. Moodle has changed a lot recently. Maybe it was more difficult for us to find out the information. As I said, Moodle is easy to develop, but we feel it is rather unique in its structure and it takes time to get used to it. So, the experience is the most important thing, we think. And I appreciate it that many contributors in Japan who have done excellent job, but still not enough information is available yet in Japan. However, Moodle is always improving, and we really appreciate developers' work. Thank you. My presentation is almost finished, but let me introduce one more. My friend's company has an interesting project that is called Moodle. Moodle works on Moodle and can play Flash contents on multiple devices: PC, Android, and iPhone. PC and Android support Flash, but Moodle makes Flash contents to work on iPhone and iPad. If you are interested in Moodle, contact Hata-san. Hata-san is here. My friend. Thank you for listening my presentations. I will go to Moodle in Gold Coast in July. I hope we can meet there again. Thank you.